If you've been watching any of my other videos, you will recognise this little red thing. I call it Tria, the first stage of development for my robot. Nice little development platform as I've covered before, but not quite big enough for what I want to do. And you might notice these shiny pieces of metal that I have just on the table with me. Sheet aluminium, more aluminium, more aluminium, even more aluminium. These are what I'm going to use to build a bigger version of Tria. These are just the basic components that I need. First thing I did, cut these from a less square and boring shape. That was relatively easy. And this is going to be used to make the mounts for my stepper motors, as they're not actually that easy to mount to things. And some other structural things and spaces. It's not quite finished yet, it's nowhere near finished, but it should be good enough just for a demonstration. And my camera, I can't get far enough away, so I'm going to have to crouch a bit. What this turns into is this. I haven't finished it, like I said, but we've got a less boring shape, slightly. Makeshift wheels for now, as the wheels I'd ordered haven't arrived yet. They should be roughly the same size as this. And mounted the stepper motors on the undercarriage, which has worked quite well, and a rear caster wheel on a rod offset from the bottom. This is just going to be the base plate, and all of the electronic-y gubbins that's currently on top of this one, well, not these exact components, but the same idea, will be arranged on this base plate with various sensors and whatever I want to put on it. Planning to make it modular so I can just take things on and off as I want. I haven't welded anything as well. Aluminium, have fun. Just going to leave it bolted pieces, because I'm inevitably going to want to change this or make a mistake, and just holes and nuts and bolts work quite well. The top plate has already been cut. I know it's not terribly exciting, but it's a bit nicer than a rectangle. Not a lot of difference, but subtle differences make enough of a change. And this will just be suspended on here with more bolts and more aluminium, or possibly brass as spacers. That's all I have at the moment. I should have more later on this afternoon. But it's a good start for a morning. Thanks for watching. I'll try and get another video up shortly.